So I want to do a quick review on the Arctic P8 Max fans. I ended up having to get these because the P8 PWM PST fans didn't move quite enough air, and I needed something that pushes a higher static pressure and more CFM basically. And I think on the box there's the specs. I don't have the box handy for the P8 PWM PST fans. Interestingly though, there is no obvious visual difference between the two firsthand. So if you look, as far as I can tell, the pitch of the blades is the same and the housing is the same. I don't really see any obvious difference other than the labeling on the back, which hopefully, I don't know if I had that in frame. Hopefully I was just showing those properly. But the labeling on the back, obviously you have different model numbers. And then the PST has a splitter, which is what the PST part stands for. Overall though, even at low speeds, or well, I shouldn't say low speeds, low percentage I think is the right phrase. The fan moves more air than the P8 PWM PST fan can at 100%. I think the real difference between these two is the motor that they put in the fan. And this fan is significantly noisier at 100% RPM. Smokey's being silly under my table. And just to show here, I'm gonna hook this up. And what are you doing, mister? I'm gonna be silent for a second so you can see ambient room volume, sound levels. It is a little noisier in here because of the server room in the background, and Smokey rubbed on the tripod a little bit. Basically around 10 to 12 dB though. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to hold it so it doesn't resonate with the table. I'd put it on a foam pad, but that just won't work. And basically the fan's running at 100%. So around 27 dB. I think they have some weird, where's sound? They don't have it on here. They use some weird measurement for their sound levels that I don't quite understand. I think it's like SOL. Not the acronym, but that's the spelling if I remember right. Or SON, something like that. It's on their website. But looks like 27 dB though. And in comparison to the P8 PWM PST, the sound has a different sound profile to it, but that's really about it. So I'm going to hook up the PWM PST and run that at 100%. Of course, somebody's driving down the street, which is messing up my measurements. It's around 17 dB, so it's 10 dB quieter. This one's more of a low droning noise, versus that has a little bit of a higher pitch to it. Oops. Overall though, I think if you're running an enclosed space and you need the high static pressure to resist because of stuff that's resisting airflow like drives or whatnot, I think this is actually the better choice than the P8 PWM PST. And I've been happy with it so far in testing. It's performed pretty well. The RPM range is a little bit higher, but as long as you're not running these at 100%, they really aren't that bad. But otherwise, yeah, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.